Hey guys, so I'm Lenny. This is starting of the trip. You can see the Digi truck behind and some people. And this is the petrol stations in Philippines, or at least over here. Over here is Digi ready for the trip. Yeah, he's on my belt. Well, we forgot the leash. Here is for the journey, and here is the Digi Kitty. And this is our main boss over here who look after our shrimps and our future crabs coming on a boat to pick us up.
Din na? Agora pa naggumatang ko ron.
Hey buddy!
Bibidyo ng ako.
So this is the magician, guys. You have actually crabs over here absolutely everywhere. People catching them, so look at the beauties over here.
Yeah, they're waiting for them to catch more and they will go to market.
To sell it.
Yep.
Ooh. Okay guys, we reached the farm. So over here you can see this is the first lake. No shrimps actually coming here, only for the harvest. You saw the video over here, we picked them up. Over here the lake is in preparation basically. So it's empty right now. You can see it's not so deep, but it's quite huge. And over here we can walk over, and it's another lake on the back here.
Can you also show the prepared one?
One more lake over here, and you will see how it's actually prepared for shrimps, because they eat this green plankton or crab basically. So this is already prepared. It will be just filled with water now, and shrimps can go in. From here they can get transferred through this. Another lake over there is another transfer, and over there is connected with that lake. So this is the current farm. Chickens walking there right now. Hut. This little shade over here is where actually the shrimps getting harvested. Now the boat is parked here, and if I walk through here, on the other side of the river you have the proper house. Access road for the new land. It's a little narrow, but two cars actually can miss each other over here. It's a miracle always, but it does work. Okay, and this is one of our lakes already. It's all ready for demolition. Okay, so we just arrived on the new farm. It's a lot of dogs over here, there and there. So this is one of the lakes. There's another lake over there, like behind this. And this lake continue. So from here, this is a tree, and it continues all the way there. All all these buildings over here and this, that all will get demolished. It will not stay here. Over there the buildings as well, it all will be demolished. So over here basically will be built the main house, and all this will be full of crabs. Also, let me just say that basically first job over here will be to make this lake deeper, because you can see it's not very deep, right? So that will be first job. It will take about 2-3 weeks, and extra probably almost 1 meter will be added for the full length of this big lake. The other 2 smaller lakes over there, it's not a problem. Now the soil from the lake, when we make it deeper, it will basically come over here, so the soil will get raised. Like I said, this all will be demolished, the buildings what you see, because over here is a little water stream and it can raise water. So basically the level over here where we're standing will be raised on some level like the road. We are a little bit lower over here. For that will be used the soil from the lake. Also we need to build new bridge over here, so the Digi truck can come actually inside. And yeah, on this piece of land will be basically the room where all you will visit. Look at the beauty around. It's amazing. Okay, let me show you a little bit on the side. So over here is the bridge, which we need to build concrete bridge, so the truck can come inside. You can hear the dogs here. Yeah, another dog here. Some chickens. But basically this is still the land. This is the other side of the lake. All this will be demolished. Okay, over here standing behind the house. Yeah. So all that will be gone. And over here is again the lake. Hey guys, so we are on the way back home to the city actually, but I thought I will show you just the nature over here. It's absolutely spectacular. It's a beautiful day. It's about 34 degrees, and these mountains, so big hills, whatever you want to call it, they look absolutely amazing. What a beautiful day. So this is how they travel in Philippines. Final stretch, comfortable drive home. We have a 60 kilometers highway and we reach the beautiful city of Clarke. And in about 7 days from now we're going back to the farm because we need to close the sales of deed. So it will be fun, all will be recorded again, and yeah, we will see how it goes. Okay, once again you can see how the weather completely changed. The previous video was nicely sunny, 37 degrees. Now it's raining, but it's still 34 degrees, so the weather is pretty good. But hopefully next maximum 1 month the rainy season will be over, and then just summer all year long. Everyone's slowing down. The rain is very bad, you can see it. So now we're going very slowly. Trying to see the highway. Okay, and over here I would like to show you on the left side. There's more ahead. is basically where all the, I want to say Americans, but not all the Americans, definitely Americans, Australians, and even Europeans, war heroes from Second World War are. It's a beautiful, it's a beautiful cemetery over here. It's looked after, I think, by American Embassy actually. And okay, still a little bit more ahead. Okay, let's go a little faster. And it's over here on the left side. Clarke Veteran Cemetery. It's really nice. Actually, I visited there, pay respect to all people actually over there. It's beautiful. Otherwise, this is inside the Clarke. It's pretty cool over here. Mercedes buildings, some McDonald's, Jollibee. Jollibee, it's McDonald's of Philippines. By the way, so Digi over here. Funny story. We left him on the farm because we had to go run around the offices, right, for the land. And the farm we can leave only on the boat. Digi saw us, jump in the water and swim behind us. Absolutely amazing, but right now this is the result. His last 4 hours he's just sleeping. Okay, he wakes up sometimes, but yeah, he's damn tired.